Good morning, everyone. If you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're a returning channel watcher, thank you as well. I will be embarking on a West Coast tour in my van that I've built. Took me and my dad 6 months, about a year ago. But stop number one, let me get to it. I am heading to Denver, Colorado, and I cannot wait to share where I'm going, what I am doing, what I'm riding, everything. You're all coming with me. Let's go. All right, so I had to stop here. This is the infamous spot that everyone comes to and takes a photo right there. It's off on the highway. Super cool. I've always told myself I'm gonna stop and I've just never had time. But today, I made it happen. All right, well, made it to Colorado, but first things first, I pretty much always try and come to a car wash. We made it to Winter Park, Colorado. We are about to ride Trestle Bike Park. And finally, my friends decided to camp out with me. Maddie's gonna be sleeping in the 4Runner today. We got Jason's full van set up over here. Got Lance over here with he'll pop up that rooftop tent. So excited. Finally, these people are camping. We are on the gondola. We're going up the the gondola lift to the top. Winter Park season opener. If anybody didn't know, this is how you ride up this gondola. You have to put your bike just like this. Doesn't have spot for the bikes.
Day one.
Day one, baby. Look at this view. Woo! You! Oh yeah! Oh my goodness, that is so fun. We are on gondola chairlift number 2, baby. This is halfway down the mountain. And we are going up to the tippy top where there's other trails. Some are called 36 chamber.
36 chamber.
It's a big jump line.
We're not going to the tippy top.
We're not going there yet because it's too windy.
Windy.
Thank you. Thank you. That was not a good idea.
Ready?
Yeah. All right, we're following Maddie through this little zigzaggy area. Woo! Wow! Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So this is one of the drops. It goes a drop and then a gap jump, which is like a step down. And this is what I was saying I was a little scared of. It's kind of big. It just, take off the lip, gap that, and land there into a fast section. Super, super fun. Just confidently hit it. This is it, right? And I just follow you. Do I pick up? are about to do a step down that is kind of getting in my head a little bit. I've done it before, but sometimes new bike, new year, things just get a little scary. This wind is not helping either. Is this it?
Ready?
Whew. All right. All right, come on, baby. We got this. Oh my goodness. Whoa! This is new trail. It's called Field Trip. I've never done it before. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, that was so cool! Woo! Whoa! Oh my god, this is so flowy! Just stopped riding. We're setting up for a little lunch break. Jason, I need more enthusiasm.
I'm so hungry. I don't have a lot of energy. I'm too hungry.
We got Lance getting his awning all set up. Did you guys start the grill yet?
It's grilling.
It's grilling. We're grilling, baby.
This is the top of the mountain where a lot of the trails start, and most of the gondolas drop you off, hang out. You can eat here, you can play games, grab some drinks inside. Super cool place to hang out. Alright, we're going down another new trail, day trip. Apparently Field Trip has been out for a little while. I just have not ridden it. Woo, dusty! Wow! Oh, these rocks just come out of nowhere. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that was so fun! Woo! Whoa! This is incredible! Woo-wee! Oh, that's so cool! Maddie, I'm right on you! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Just got done with another run.
I can't.
Madison's finger is stuck. This is true arm pump. That's when you know you're having a good time.
You got this, Heather.
Alright, let's do this. Jump, jump, and then big jump.
Yep.
Alright, we're doing space safe. Space safe. This one always gets me, but I'm following Maddie right through. Alright, come on. Come on, Heather. You got this. Don't be scared. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh! Woo! Whoa! landed right on the knuckle. Oh, thanks, Maddie. Oh, that was crazy. All right, we got the rest of the crew in front of us. One of our buddies, Jason. Let's see if he did it. Jason, did you do it?
Did not.
Oh.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Thanks.
That's awesome.
All right, we're gonna have to come back for Jason's.
Ah.
We got the chef here. Jared's cooking us all some salmon.
Hopefully.
We got Lance over here. Nice little setup for a shower. I'm gonna give him his privacy. Maddie is currently in the van, showering.
Okay, Heather. Have a good shower.
Alright, I'm over here working on my dinner. Madison's got hers fully. Jeez, this is a full course meal. This is amazing. Good morning, everyone.
So nice that you could join us, Heather.
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind.
I got some fresh candies going on today.
Yeah, we're gonna get
So you know it's getting serious.
Hey boys, he's gonna need some help over here.
I got the valve cap off, guys. Who's ready to jump in? Bring it over here.
Check these freshies out. We got some kendas. Welcome to the club, Jason.
Yeah, I feel like this is everything I've ever dreamt of, these Hellcats. It's gonna take me to the next level. Which, okay, what do we need now?
He's gonna be flying down this mountain today. All right, we are on Rainmaker. I am following Madison Pitts down this trail. It's got jumps, it's got drops. Wow! It's got a little bit of everything. Woo! Wow, this wind is actually unreal. This is one of my favorite little sections. Woo! Whoa! Phew. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh, this bike is insane! Whew. So cool. Oh yeah. Jason, you ready for this?
I've been waiting all day.
What a time that was. Stay tuned to find out where I am headed to next. And if you enjoyed this video and want more, please hit that subscribe, comment, like, share, do all those incredible things. I would greatly appreciate everyone. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. And if you have not yet, get out and ride your bike. Catch you on the next video, everyone.